by the meadow, near the line of trees. There's a green bar working quietly. No noise, no trouble, just a steady sound, turning what was lost to life rebound. Clear as the sky, soft as the rain, clean water flowing home again, through every field and every hand. Advantex keeps the promise of the land. Farming biological film or biomass inside that green box, go spraying fast. Sprayers miss media, biomass chill. That Advantex hums all day, no fear. Clear as the sky, soft as the rain, clean water flowing home again. Science and nature side by side, working with the earth in stride. Just careful rhythm down below. The cycle turns, a heartbeat true. Every drop begins. Clear as the sky, soft as the rain, flowing free through hill and plain. Here's to the system built by hand, Advantex of pride.